Hey guys, T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you another 2024 Bennington 22LSB. This is in the new luminous blue color with a matte black accent. It's, Bennington did a really good job with this new color. Come over here where the sun's shining on it. It's a little bit more vibrant than the old blue that Bennington had. It was similar to this color, a little bit more metallic, so it looks phenomenal. Looks great on the water. I delivered the first one today and it just really looked phenomenal. It's got the matte black accent on this one. Of course, Pontoon powered with a Yamaha 150. This one does have the carbon interior with a Monaco blue accent. So it looks really good. I'm gonna climb aboard here and show you the boat. It's the carbon with the Monaco blue, so it matches the exterior really well. Did again the 80% cutout, portable cup holders, kicker speaker upgrade. It's got indirect LED floor lighting. Did the PMX2 upgrade on the stereo system. So it sounds really good. Another new thing again is the Bennington insignias on the back of the chairs, including the captain chair. 80% cutout. Of course, table comes standard, stowable. Store it away, get it out of the way if you don't want it. Large swing back, stainless steel walk-through gate. Of course, we did the Simrad Go 7 on this one. There's your RGB controller over there on the right-hand side. PMX2 upgrade there. Really nice boat. This is one of our #1 sellers for 2023, so we're gonna carry it on over to 2024. With the new and upgraded colors and interior designs. Again, this boat's here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.